Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you look around situation in Turkey. Wow, very snowing, shower winter. Look at that. Too much winter, too much snow. Almost -1 degree today, especially. And my location in Turkey. And I'm gonna show you look around in here, especially this time during winter break. Okay guys, stay tuned terus on my channel. Don't forget to support me with subscribe because subscribe is free, and don't forget to hit notification below and you will update my video, and I will update my video every 1 week 3 times. Okay guys, stay tuned on. Enjoy. Halo guys, welcome back to my channel. Aku sekarang mau kasih tahu ke kalian situasi in Turkey lagi snowing ya guys, lagi snow winter. Kalian bisa lihat situasi di sini ya, bener-bener snow winter. Aku mau kasih tahu ke kalian, pokoknya thank you for click my video. Hope you like to enjoy. Hope you like you stay tuned on my channel and Safaganza, and I will update to new video. Okay guys. Hello guys, thank you for stay tuned and thank you for give me support. Hope you like you enjoy to my video. Today I'm look around situation night in Turkey, especially during winter season. Even in another Europe, on March already spring, and in Turkey still have a snowfall and winter also. The winter until the beginning of on April. It's about around 5 April, maybe winter in Turkey already finished, but depends the where you stay in Turkey. If you stay in Turkey nearby hills, maybe still have the winter until middle of March. And especially I stay in central Turkey, that's why the weather in here still have a snow season also, and mostly 2 days ago have a snowfalls also in this area. Look at that situation in here, have a tramway, and this is have a public transportation also in Turkey area. Hello my bestie, hello guys. As you know, if you wanna go travel in Turkey, you just bring your passport and you have a stay free, no need to make a visa until 30 days, especially 1 month. Yay, so surprise also is the good news also, especially if you wanna traveling in Turkey and enjoy in Turkey. If you have anything information about Turkey living style and Turkey travel, you can write on my comment and also give me idea for the next video. Hope you like you enjoy and stay tuned for the next video. In this area have so many variant brands, and this area like a famous area especially in Turkey. The name is Turkey Style, nearby as Park Shopping Mall. Yes, and the situation in it very cold, and I'm so excited. Even my body is so cold and freezing, but it's okay, doesn't matter. I keep to go ahead straight away, look around and showing you like us walking tour night in Turkey. Hope you like, you enjoy. And this is situation in the afternoon, still like as the winter season. Look at that, have a snow also in this area. On March. And the situation in here, mostly people in here like walking, even have a car, but they like to trip on the street only walking. Look at that. This is mostly cars in Turkey have a winter and snow also.